Howdy y'all, Fast Force 29, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. I just want to share something with y'all. So I'm a little bit of a gamer, just a little bit, not major. I don't play online or nothing like that. So don't be asking me in the comments because I don't have a gamer ID tag or none of that stuff. But I like to play on occasion, right? Like we all do. It's fun. I want to show you something I thought was really cool. So if y'all haven't played the game Alan Wake 2, it just came out last year, late last year. Very good game, incredible graphics, although it probably don't show up that well on this camera that I'm using right now. But great graphics, very fun game. But let me show you what I found that's really, really cool. And you have to forgive me, I'm playing with one hand here right now. Look at that.
Enjoy your day.
It is a 73 to 77 Ford truck. Is that not cool? I guess technically you could say 73 to 76 because it's got the clear turn signal lenses, but isn't that cool? I was like, wow, I couldn't believe it. Like, I mean, yeah, the details are there, like the angle on the back of the cab where the rear window is and all. Even the door handle. I mean, look at the door handle. Everything. The lines on the hood, the way the cab looks, even the interior. I mean, look at the way even the door panels are even like legit. I mean, even the window crank. I mean, it's crazy how much attention to detail that they put into this. And even the instrument cluster, the steering wheel obviously isn't. It actually looks like the old, the rare late 1970s option you could get in these trucks and Broncos with the sport steering wheel. That's kind of what it looks like in a way. But I mean, look, in the truck's an AC truck, air conditioned truck. That's pretty cool. Must be a Ranger. It's got the black accents in the dash too. But isn't that crazy? Like the instrument cluster even looks pretty. I mean, it's not spot on obviously, but that's pretty close. I mean, that's pretty cool. And heater controls and the door panel. I can't get over it. Like, that's crazy. It's so cool. When I first started playing this and I saw that, I couldn't believe it. I got so excited. I just wanted to share this with y'all. That is so cool. And then here's one with the actual bed on it with a camper shell. I just thought this was cool. I just wanted to show you this one. I don't know why they're both green, but anyway, cool though. I'm like, it's so amazing. Even the back, I mean, they got, even the back, like the tail lights look pretty spot on. Again, not 100% accurate, but pretty close. The line in the top of the tailgate, the body line is even there. The indentation in the tailgate, I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's just neat. The attention to detail that they went into on this. I don't know if maybe one of the creators of the game has one of these trucks or that's their favorite truck or something, and so they decided to put it in the game. But that is really, really cool. Unbelievable. I could not believe it. Alrighty guys, well that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. I thought that was really, really cool. You know, it's cool to see stuff like that, right? Because, you know, usually you only see detailed vehicles in like racing games, right? Well, this is not a racing game, it's a horror game. It's a horror movie type kind of playthrough game, which is really cool. Fun game to play. If you ain't played it, check it out. But I saw that and I was like, holy crap, that is so cool. And I want to share that with y'all. In case y'all haven't played, I don't know if y'all are gamers or not. I'm sure some of y'all are. You may have saw this yourself if you played the game, but that is really cool. That's it. That's all there is for this one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that as well. And thank y'all for watching as always. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.